tiny sandtails.
Hello, tiny sandtollers. People here. Welcome back. This whole month we're exploring everyday adventures, finding the wow in our daily lives. And our first adventure is about a daily activity that can sometimes feel a little boring. Getting clean. Let's see how Emma turns that into an adventure.
Look at this amazing sand art. It's a little girl and her kitty in a bathtub. It looks like a normal everyday bath time. Or is it? Right now it's just an outline. But we're going to bring it to life. We'll add amazing colors and even a cool background with little tiled squares for the bathroom floor and walls. It's going to look so magical. What do you think this story will be about? Let's find out. Every story starts with our hero. Let's give our little girl her eyes so she can see us. We're peeling off the paper just for her eyes. We'll use a tiny bit of black sand and a little speck of white sand to make them sparkle. There. This is Molly. And our story today is called The Bubble Submarine. Our story begins. It was the end of the day, and Molly was covered in dirt from playing outside.
Time for your bath, Molly,
her mom called.
Aw, but baths are so boring.
Molly looked at the tub. She looked at her little cat, Kiko. And then she had an idea. Let's give our picture its shape. We are peeling off all the black outlines. Around Molly, Kiko, the tub, everything. And in goes the black sand. Look at that. Now we can see everything clearly. Molly wasn't going to take a bath. She was going on a mission.
Kiko,
she whispered.
We have a secret mission. We must find the lost bubble pearls.
Kiko tilted his head. Let's color Molly's face and hands with this lovely skin tone sand. She's not bored anymore. She's hatching a brilliant plan.
What's your favorite game to play in the bathtub? First, I must become Captain Molly.
Let's give Captain Molly her bright, radiant yellow hair. It's like her shiny captain's helmet. And every captain needs a badge of honor. Her bright red bow is her official captain's badge.
Alright, Captain Molly is ready. Now I need my first mate. First Mate Kiko, report for duty.
Molly giggled, scooping up her cat. Let's color our brave First Mate Kiko. We'll make his fur a bright orange. And look, Kiko has a special marking. The patch on his left eye and his left ear are bright yellow. They match Captain Molly's hair. They are the Yellow Adventure Team.
Now our crew is ready. Do you think they will find the lost bubble pearls? Look!
Shouted Captain Molly, pointing into the tub.
The bubble pearls!
They're appearing. Poof! Molly turned on the water and added the bubble bath. Big, beautiful bubbles started to float up. These aren't just bubbles, are they? They are treasures. Kiko tapped one with his paw.
Captain Molly to First Mate Kiko. We must go underwater to find them. To the submarine.
This isn't a bathtub anymore. It's the Purple Pearl Seeker submarine. Let's color the top rim and the feet of our submarine dark purple. And the main body of our submarine will be a lighter, magical purple. This difference in color is called contrast. It makes our submarine look extra special.
Wow! What color would your magical submarine be?
Molly and Kiko were on their mission. More and more bubble pearls floated past.
We found them! We're finding them all!
Let's add all these other bubble pearls. We'll use light purple and light blue sand. The submarine mission is a success. Look, by hunting for all the pearls, Molly and Kiko are getting all clean. That's a clever trick.
Captain, look out the window. We're passing over the candy cane coral reef.
The bathroom floor isn't a floor. It's a beautiful coral reef. Let's color the lines between the reef tiles dark purple. And the tiles themselves will be a sweet light pink. What a magical seafloor!
And look!
Molly gasped.
The walls of the ocean are made of blue sea glass.
Let's color the ocean walls. The lines will be blue, and the tiles will be a fresh light blue. Our submarine is in a beautiful, sparkling blue ocean.
Have you ever used your imagination to turn your room into a new world?
Mission complete, First Mate Kiko.
Molly cheered, turning off the water. She was all clean and she'd had the best adventure.
Time to put on our celebratory seaweed capes.
She grabbed her towel. But it's not a towel. It's a special seaweed cape. Let's color it. It's not just one color. It has a lovely pattern for decoration. We'll use green sand for the main part and add some light green decorative stripes. Molly wrapped Kiko and herself in their soft, dry capes. They were clean, warm, and ready for bed. Molly learned that anything, even a boring bath, can become a magical adventure if you just use your imagination. And look, our sand art is all finished. Yay! What a fun adventure!
What will you imagine next time you take a bath?
Review. Bathtub. 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 Kitty. 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 Bubbles. 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 Towel. 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 Clean. 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 Red. 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 Yellow. 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 Purple. 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 Blue. 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 Pink. Pink. Pink.
Wow, a submarine in a bathtub. That's the best everyday adventure ever. Molly is so creative. It reminds me, getting clean doesn't have to be boring. Did you like today's story? What do you like to imagine when you're doing your daily activities? Let us know in the comments. If you loved our magical bubble hunt, please give us a giant thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our everyday adventures on Tiny Sand Tales. Next video, we're exploring another adventure. Hint, it's something you do outside with wheels. Any guesses? Stay tuned. Bye for now, Tiny Sand Tallers.
See you next time on Tiny Sand Tales. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.